How much ionized water should you drink and when? Healthy people should consume half their body weight of ionized water in ounces every day. For example, if your body weight is 50 kilograms, you should drink 2.5 liters of ionized water every day. If you're involved in physical activity and grueling work, or if you have health issues, you should up your intake of ionized water. When is a good time to drink ionized water, or any water for that matter? Ideally, you should be drinking water in the first thing after you wake up. It will hydrate your digestive system before you eat breakfast. Drinking alkaline water 30 minutes before a meal can improve your digestion vis-a-vis simulation of hydrochloric acid for better simulation of nutrients. It also gives your body adequate water for smooth digestion and to buffer the waste products cells excrete into the bloodstream. Avoid drinking water during meals, but if you have to, go for water with neutral pH. Alkaline water will neutralize the acids required for digestion. Even neutral water will do so to a certain extent. This is why drinking water with meals is not recommended. Once you've consumed a meal, wait for another 40 minutes before consuming ionized water. Next good thing is before meal. Drink 1 glass of water 30 minutes before a meal to help digestion. Remember not to drink too soon before or after a meal, as that will dilute the digestive juices. Drink water an hour before the meal to allow the body to absorb the nutrients. Drinking water before bed has number of benefits, but drinking too close to bedtime can interrupt your sleep cycle and negatively impact your heart health. You must drink enough water throughout the day to avoid dehydration and prevent excess water intake at night. One sign of dehydration is dark urine. It is a good practice to always sit and drink water rather than standing. By sitting and drinking water, your muscles and nervous system is much more relaxed and helps nerves to digest food and other fluids easily. Your kidneys also pace with the filtration process while sitting. We have made a separate video on cons of drinking water while standing. Please go through it.